folks. We're in a convoy, and this lovely police officer here decides to pull us over right on the main highway. So I don't know what's up. I haven't got out of the vehicle because it's not safe. Because
this is great.
We've got a major highway here, and we got a convoy with over 60 plus vehicles just starting today en route to pick up the next leg of passengers, which are going to be up in Gasoline Alley in Red Deer, and then we're off to Edmonton. So this we're driving along. We're legal. We're all following en route. Following the traffic laws, and this police officer in a motorbike gets it in his bean pull cabin over. And that's the truck in front. So, like, I don't know what his deal is, but I'm not getting out because it's not safe. We'll find out when we get to Gasoline Alley. Not unless, Sandy, you want to go on the left-hand side and do a little...
I don't know. The last time I pointed a camera at a cop, I ended up in jail. So.
Oh, yeah, right. That's true.
I'm
yeah, no, actually, thank you. No, we are not going to let Sandy go into... Keep the camera away from Sandy and police, please. That brought back deja vu, but this is really good. All the convoy participants are coming out on the highway. This is giving us a lot of good attention and awareness for the farmers in Netherlands that are being suppressed by tyranny. And here we are, we're getting a little tickle of it right on the highway. And of course, police officer doesn't know what to do with all these live feeds happening.
He's like, oh crap.
Well, good morning.
Morning.
I don't know what this officer thinks here, but, pulling this fine trucker over, poor soul.
I don't know.
Not very safe, very safe, like we got us a convoy here.
Is he going to get a ticket for
And
blowing his horn?
More people coming over.
James, I think it's blowing your horn. That's illegal in Cal. It's illegal to blow your horn.
Everyone's here now.
This is great. Thank you, officer.
This is great.
We were able to catch up.
Hi, Jenny. Hi. I think we ought to be going slower.
I think so too.
Oh,
let's go talk to Kevin. We should mention that.
Because when we pulled out, there was only about not even a dozen of us at the beginning, and he was going like 100.
He's gonna write this guy a ticket.
Yeah.
Seriously?
For blowing his horn.
Are you kidding? Welcome to Alberta communist country here with some of the freaking crazy laws, like blowing your horn gets you a ticket. Wow.
No farmers, no food. That's the truth. You can have my coffee.
I'm gonna get out and go and...
Don't do it. You are the reason.
I'll be a good boy. I'll be a good boy. Yeah, we're pulling over here. Yeah. May I ask why you pulled over a convoy? May I ask why you pulled over a convoy that was using their legal rights?
Bullshit. Can I swing you? Mr. Nazi?
May I ask why you're pulled over a convoy?
You cause more problems than we are.
Is this very safe? Hey, Kevin, how come you're pulled over today? What's that? Oh, for honking your horn. How many horns are being honked now because of your unsafe act, sir? You should be fired. And we have you on evidence. Now look at all the horns being honked. Look at the safety infractions that are being added up here that you have put everybody's lives in danger.
You're nothing but a wiener.
Yeah, be on the wrong side of the history, buddy. Be on the wrong side. Yeah. Everyone else in the world, all the time.
do you think of this?
Crazy. He's not Canadian.
You're lucky we're not in Sri Lanka right now.
Yeah, B. Martin. B. Martin. Let's remember this. We'll find out where
A smart person would have recognized the risk that you put the entire highway on.
Maybe we should ask his kids what they think. Wake up. I know. Where's your badge?
They're now bringing the same rules over here.
What's your badge?
They want to steal all of that land from all of you.
Yes, badge number. 1317.
1317, and your name, sir?
1317.
Your name for record? We'll have his name on the... Oh, by the way, you're with the right guy when it comes to defending your lawful freedom of choice. I'll have this beat. And we'll have fun with this, Kevin. We're going to have so much fun in court with this. Oh, it's going to be fun.
You guys.
We'll get to meet you again in court, won't we?
This guy, right? What? We're going to get rid of this guy, right? Look at all the shit that he's caused. Get out of here. Use your fucking hand. They'll call me back. We're allowed to drive the road.
Kevin, we'll deal with this in court.
We're going to deal with this on the street one day.
Yeah, I'll see this guy again in court. And we'll use the Bill of Rights to defend, okay?
Let's go. Now we got all the attention of everybody.
Most famous sheriff in town right now.
I posted him too already.
Oh yeah, you're big time famous here.
He'll stay here. Tell you why he does it. For all the fame. Remember the names. We'll remember the names. What's your badge number? This is ridiculous. What's your badge number?
1732. Alberta Sheriff.
Oh yeah, this is really unsafe. Absolutely. Like, look at that. Yeah, look. Look at that. We the people.
Is this out of Airdrie or out of Calgary?
Forgetting what?
Is this out of Airdrie or out of Calgary, you guys? Are you out of Airdrie or Calgary? So where will this be held at in court? Airdrie court? Okay.
There's the right side of history and there's the wrong side of history. You know what? Hitler also had his goons. But when Nuremberg came down, they hung.
What was the reason? What did you get a ticket for?
Probably blue lights. No. People like this are proud. There were some men that enjoyed putting children in a gas camp. They were proud of themselves too. You feel outnumbered yet? Oh, they are. They know that. People are rising up. They can also find their homes pretty easily.
Yeah.
Oh, this is really good exposure. Actually, it is. Perfect exposure.
We were 1 lane away.
Yep.
We were in the middle lane when he had somebody pulled over.
Yep.
We all backed down to below the 60 that we would have had to be in that lane.
We should actually thank this gentleman because he's giving this really good exposure. I'm sure all the farmers are really, now they're getting a little attention. See? This is why we're doing it. Support of the farmers. Look at this.
So we can't honk horns again?
Oh, we're honking horns. This, yeah, I do.
Right. Which is BS, right? Which is BS.
This has to be addressed by the 15th.
Hey, give me the ticket, let's go. I gotta go. Let's go. I'll do, buddy. We're good.
Wheels up! Wheels up! Wheels up! Wheels up! Wheels up! Wheels up! Wheels up!
You'll never go.
Wheels up, everybody! officer. Thank you. Thank you. Wheels up. Wheels up, rope. Go back. Right on, Kevin. Let her buck.